just reset itself as it just came on. That's brilliant. That's weird. So my conclusion on this is they need to upgrade the transformers in the furnace as well as install this. Not just install this on a transformer that probably was not designed for the power consumption that these are pulling down. I'm going to take a reading. No, it did it by itself. I'm going to take a reading. It's having problems even coming back on. I'm going to take a reading of its actual amp draw, its milliamp draw, and see how well we're, not how well, but how much it's overdoing the transformer. That's the only thing I can think of, is that it is taking too much draw off the transformer and not enough current is there for all the devices that need it, thus it shuts down. But something's definitely wrong with it. So it doesn't even wait 3 minutes. Oh, it just killed itself again. Turn that 75. Accept. Now wait a minute. Now I think we're on the 3-minute cycle. Brilliant. So it definitely, I think, that's what it is. It tries to draw too much power off the transformer, thus it reboots. So OG&E needs to take some advisement on this and upgrade the transformers in the furnace units as well as these things. Whenever they install this, it needs to be upgraded. Transformer needs to be upgraded as well as the thermostat. As you can see, just did it again. So brilliant.